If you want to take macro photos on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8, first we're gonna open the camera. And then, using the photo mode, you can keep a little bit of a distance between the subject and the camera, and then you can use zoom. Of course, you shouldn't really use too much zoom because then you will definitely lose the quality of the photo, but as you can see, we can use even like 6x to capture a pretty decent macro photo just like that. Unfortunately, you will not be able to do so with 50 megapixels, simply because if you switch to 50 megapixels, you lose the access to the zoom. But there we go, this is how the photo looks like. Now we can also, of course, check the more section in the camera to see if we have a dedicated macro mode, but unfortunately, if that is not the case, so unfortunately you cannot really use a macro mode, you cannot really find a macro mode, but it is still possible to do to take a macro photo with this little trick. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.